Okay, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video into your page. You can do this a couple of ways. If you click on, again, this is in RCE enhancements, but there's also a video link in the regular way. But if you click on the record upload media, if you already have some media from your hard drive recorded, then you can upload it and put it in either of these options. But if I don't, I want to get one from online, and I go here. You can record it directly in here. This takes a while, or if you have an embed code, then you can put your embed code right there. If you don't have one of those and you just want a video from YouTube, then you go to the link, you click YouTube, and then you search for your video. You can tell I've looked at different things. I'm going to choose Harry Baker. And this is the one I want. I click embed, and it'll put it right there in the screen. You can make it bigger, but I suggest keeping it about this size. Again, this is a page, so I'm going to click Add to Student Page, click Save and Publish, or Save, and it's finished. That's it.